Namaskar, Khusro Bidya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is limbic system. Limbic system is a complex system of cortical and subcortical structures that form a ring around the hilus of cerebral hemisphere. Limbus means ring. It is also known as limbic lobe. Earlier, it was called rhyncephalon. Component of limbic system. Structure of limbic system are classified into four groups: archicortical structures, paleocortical structures, juxtalocortical structures, and subcortical structures. So this is division. Archicortical structure include hippocampus and dentate gyrus. Paleocortical structure include piriform cortex, olfactory lobe, olfactory tubercle, juxtalocortical structures, cingulate gyrus of limbic cortical cortex, and orbito-insulotemporal cortex. Subcortical structures: amygdala complex, septal nuclei, thalamic nuclei, hypothalamic nuclei, caudate nucleus, reticular formation of midbrain. Connections of limbic system. Connections of limbic system are complex. Following are the major afferent and efferent connections of limbic system. First, fornix. It includes fiber connecting hippocampus and septal nuclei with the mammillary body. Hippocampus with hypothalami nuclei. Second, lateral hypothalamus receive afferent fibers from hippocampus, septal nuclei, olfactory tubercle, head of caudate nucleus, piriform area, and periamygdala area. Caudate nucleus receive fiber from cingulate gyrus, interlamellar nuclei of thalamus, and brainstem reticular formation receive fibers from hippocampus, cingulate gyrus, and Pepec circuit. So in this diagram, you can see this is amygdala, olfactory tract, olfactory bulb, mammillary body, frontal cortex. This is cingulate gyrus. This is cingulate gyrus of limbic cortex, and this is corpus callosum. This structure is fornix. This is thalamus. We already studied about it. Terminals and hippocampus. So what is Pepec circuit? Pepec circuit is the interconnection between various structures of limbic system which form a complex of closed circuit. This circuit was described by Pepec scientist. So fiber from hippocampus through fornix goes to mammillary body. After mammillary body, through mammillothalamic fibers goes to anterior nucleus of thalamus. And from anterior nucleus of thalamus, thalamocortical fiber goes to cingulate gyrus. From cingulate gyrus, cortico-hippocampal fiber goes to hippocampus. This form a closed circuit which is called Pepec circuit. Functions of limbic system. First one is olfaction. Piriform cortex and amygdala nucleus form the olfactory centers. In lower animal, amygdala nucleus is concerned with primary with olfaction. Regulation of endocrine glands. Hypothalamus play an important role in regulation of endocrine gland. Regulation of autonomic structures. Hypothalamus play an important role in regulating autonomic functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, water balance, and body temperature. Regulation of food intake. Along with the amygdala complex, the feeding center and satiety center present in hypothalamus regulate food intake. Control of circadian rhythm. Hypothalamus is taking major role in circadian fluctuations of various psychological, physiological activities. Regulation of sexual functions. Hypothalamus is responsible for maintaining sexual functions in both men and animals. Role in emotional state. Emotional state of human being is maintained by hippocampus along with hypothalamus. Role in memory. Hippocampus and Pepys circuit play an important role in memory. Role in motivation. Reward and punishment center present in hypothalamus and other structure of limbic system are responsible for motivation and behavior pattern of human being. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.